If you think there's nothing to do in Newcastle and Lawrence County, then think again. Always stay connected to NCTV45 to receive the information on events going on in and around the area on a daily basis. Programs to view are NewsWatch, The Morning Show, and Community Happenings. NCTV45 takes pride in bringing you the event and organization info that you want. NCTV45 is the #1 media source locally. NCTV45, anytime on your time.
At our law firm, we see you. Come see us at lgkg.com.
Entrusting your loved one to a funeral director is a very personal and emotional decision. The funeral director you choose must understand the importance of the decision you have made. When you call the William and Roger DeCarbo Funeral Home, I recognize what a privilege it is to be chosen at your time of need. We will provide you and your family with the best service possible, with sincerity and compassion.
The William and Roger DeCarbo Funeral Home, family owned and operated since 1941.
NCTV45 Newcastle, The Train.
Hello and welcome to NCTV45 NewsWatch. I'm Nadine Buckley, here to tell you about Pennsylvania State Representative Aaron Bernstein's Christmas open house. Thus, he will have an open house at his office at 438 Line Avenue in Elwood City on December 20th from 5 to 7 p.m. And Mr. Bernstein says, "My staff and I are committed to being accessible to the people we serve. Please consider stopping by before the holidays and talking with us about any state-related issue of interest." That's all for now. Now we'll hear some brief words from these great sponsors.